A stunning admission at the sexual assault trial for billionaire business mogul Frank Stronach. A complainant who accused him of rape back in 1983 confessed to the court that she told a lie while on the stand. A day after testifying, the complainant suddenly apologized for lying about never reading an op-ed written by a woman who launched a civil lawsuit against the billionaire. Confessing on Friday, she in fact read the article and discussed it at length with prosecutors before trial began. "I wanted to say sorry," she said. "I don't have anything to hide or gain from being here." Several issues have arisen during the complainant's testimony, mainly centered on her interactions with Crown Prosecutor Jelena Vlachik, including arguments by Stronach's defense team that the Crown may have improperly coached complainants before taking the stand. Justice Anne Malloy, who's overseeing the judge-alone trial, said she was gobsmacked by the woman's confession, and even more so knowing the Crown failed to raise the issue.
For a witness to come out and on their own admit to lying, that's something that doesn't happen every day.
Criminal defense lawyer Nick Cake, who is not connected to the case, calls this a black eye for the prosecution.
What kind of an impact does something like this have on the prosecution's case?
When a judge sits down to determine what the witness's credibility and reliability are, certainly inconsistencies, admitted lies are not going to weigh favorably on their credibility and thus their reliability.
As cross-examination continued, defense lawyer Lior Shemesh pressed the complainant about consent on the night she claims the assault happened. On Thursday, the woman had testified she took a summer job at Magna International after her mother called in a favor to Stronach, who was somewhat of a family friend. She claims they had dinner one night and was then raped inside his harborfront condo after accepting an invitation to check out the view. She recalled feeling drunk when Stronach allegedly came up behind her and began fondling her breasts, telling the court she somehow ended up face down on the bed, deducing she must have walked into the bedroom. "Like a lamb to a slaughter," she said. "It was painful to process that I just walked in." She then described being penetrated from behind, admitting she said nothing and did nothing to stop it. Today, Shemesh pointed out inconsistencies, evolving details, flip-flops, and blurred memories in the complainant's past statements. "I should have just said I don't know," the woman replied, but instead I tried to answer the questions. Shemesh went on to suggest the complainant knows exactly how things happened, but was embarrassed by the sexual encounter and has regret. Now, all of these allegations have yet to be proven in court, and Stronach, now 93 years old, has denied all 12 charges against him. Outside the courthouse in Toronto, Shauna Hunt, City News.